How to see who is following you on Facebook. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, tap open your Play Store first and foremost. You need to check for any available update or make sure that your application is up to date. In order to do so, in the search bar, search for Facebook. Click on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, just tap on open. Once you are in your Facebook application, make sure to log in into your account. If you're already logged in, tap on the three horizontal icon. From here, head over to Settings. Scroll down until you see the option of Activity Log. It will be under Your Activity. Click on it. After which, tap on Connections. In here, you will see Friends, Followers and Following. You can just click on Manage Following to check out all of the person or the users that follow you on your Facebook account. Isn't it quick and easy? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.